Hello children, I am your primary English teacher. I hope children you all are fine and doing well in your studies. Children, let's quickly meet Lyra. She is of your age. She is young and she is smart. But children, she does not want to work. She never takes interest in studies, always loves sleeping, and simply she doesn't want to work. She doesn't do anything. So children, I want to give her an adjective. I want to call her lazy Lyra. Children, today I'll be talking about one gardener who was like this girl. He also never wanted to work and wasted his time in sleeping and sleeping. So children, today we'll be taking up the chapter, The Lazy Gardener. Children, he was the gardener of a very beautiful garden. But due to his laziness, the garden was no longer beautiful. Flowers and plants died out. This made his master very angry. So let's see how this lazy gardener had made his master angry. One day, children, when his master was thinking about his lazy gardener, an old woman came to the gardener and asked for work. The master replied in anger that he was already fed up of his old gardener and he had no solution to make him work hard. Then the old woman told the master that he could make the gardener work hard. So the master agreed and gave her work. The old woman went to the gardener, as you can see in the slide children, and gave the gardener a small black seed. The old woman told him as the seed would grow, with that he would also grow rich. So children, the gardener put the seed into the ground. He watered the seed daily and took very good care of it. The next morning, when the gardener came to look at the black seed, children, do you know what did he see? Children, the gardener saw a little plant, and at the top of the plant there was a red flower. He thought that the red flower could make him rich. So the gardener decided to pluck the flower. Children, as he took out his hand to pluck the flower, he heard the voice that do not pluck the flower. When the gardener saw here and there in surprise, he saw what, children? He saw a little man inside the flower, as you can see in the slide. Children, this little man made the gardener work very hard. He watered the plants daily. He used to sweep all the dry leaves from the garden because the little man told him that if he wanted to be rich and famous, he had to work according to him. Now slowly the garden started looking very nice and tidy. And the master was also very happy. But the gardener was very angry. He thought that the seed would never make him rich. He could only make him work hard. But slowly, he also started enjoying the work. Children, do you know, the gardener started taking interest in his work. And soon, children, the garden looked again very beautiful. And people from far away places came to see the garden. Now the king heard about the fame of that gardener, and immediately the king called the gardener and appointed him as the head gardener of his kingdom. Now children, I want to give 3 tasks to the gardener. I want to call him rich gardener. I want to call him active gardener. I want to call him hard-working gardener. And this all happened due to his hard work. The gardener became rich and famous children. So children, laziness always leads to disappointment, whereas activeness and hard working always leads to fame and appreciation. So children, the moral of the story is that we should never be lazy. Thank you children. Stay safe, stay healthy.